It is about 5:30 in the morning. I'm on my way over to probably British's place, and then we're driving up to Birmingham for the motorcycle live show, the NEC. And it's freezing! Literally, there was ice all over the cars in the driveway. Hit reserve, only got another 200 yards to go. Oh god, cracked out the massive winter gloves I hate as well because it's that cold. Jesus. Alright, and now begins about 20 minutes or so, maybe slightly longer, of 70 mile an hour-ish on the motorway. Oh my god, I'm cold. It's going to get a whole lot worse. But I'll see you in a bit.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made up, baby, that's made up all that we test the waters, oh, it's hot. I think we're getting close. Racing through the waves, I want to be where nobody knows. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made up, baby, that's made up all that we find. Electric, feel it in your hands. Hypnotic, watch our bodies dance. Happiness, this is where we
And they'll tell you what, tick followed tock, followed tick, followed tock, followed tick.
Something, something, here's to your dreams, Ahab!
And the fat drummer hit the beat with all his heart.